my backside. Even as a cracked in, mama, you always was a black queen, mama. I try to understand for a woman in a easy, trying to raise a man. Hey, we all was committed. No matter one single one welfare. Tell me how you did it. There's no way I can pay you back. But the plan is to show you that I understand. Yo, what, dear mama? Hey, you know I love you, dear mama. Say, no about above you. Say, dear mama. Yeah, I would hate you, show myself strong. I will never leave you. Tell he was here, no love for my daddy, cause the dear, he put away and I didn't cry. Cause my anger wouldn't let me feel for a stranger. I barely ball and heartless. All alone I've been talking for a father, he was gone. I hung around with the thugs, even though we sold drugs. Show young brother love. I moved dark, started hitting hanging. Needed money on my own, started slanging. I ain't guilty cause even though we sell rocks, it feels good, put money in your mailbox. I love paying rent when the rent is due. Holy God, said I sang to you. Cause when I was lonely, you was there for me. You never left me alone, cause you cared for me. And I can see you coming home after work late. In the kitchen trying to fix sauce and house late. Just walking with the scraps she was given. Mama made miracles every Thanksgiving. And I rolled God off on your own. Trying to raise 2 bad keys on your own. That's the way I can pay you back. But my plan is to show you that I understand. See, dear mama, hey, you know I love you, dear mama. Place no one above you, dear mama. I appreciate you, show myself gone. I will never leave you. So, gotta reminisce, cause through the drama, kind of always depend on my mama. And when it seems like a hopeless, you said a word that keep me back and focused. So the chick was little kid to keep me happy. That's the limit to the things she did. And all the childhood memories, full of the sweet things she did for me. See, and even though I act crazy, I gotta thank you, Lord, that you made me. I know words can express how I feel. You never kept a secret, always stay real. And I appreciate how you raised me and all the extra love that you gave me. I wish I could take the pain away. If you make it through the night, that's a brighter day. Cause everything will be alright if you hold on. It's a struggle every day, gotta roll on. There's a way I can pay you back. But my plan is to show you that I understand. Tell him, dear mama. Say, I think of you, dear mama. Please, no one above you, dear mama. I appreciate you, show myself gone. I will never leave you. I appreciate you, I love you, I need you. Oh mama, I love you, appreciate you, I need you. Oh mama.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.